In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your transaction history from Wells Fargo in 2025. Whether you're balancing your budget, preparing for tax season, or just keeping an eye on your finances, having a hard copy of your transaction history can be incredibly useful. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're not the most tech savvy, you'll find this guide easy to follow. So let's jump right into it. First up, you need to access your Wells Fargo account. You can do this by either opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone or navigating to wellsfargo.com using your web browser. Once there, sign in using your credentials. If it's your first time, make sure you have your login details handy, and if you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password option to reset it. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Accounts Overview screen. This is where all your accounts are listed, such as checking, savings, or credit card accounts. Click or tap on the particular account for which you want to access the transaction history. It's important to select the right account here, as this will determine the transactions you'll be viewing and eventually printing. Next, you should see an option labeled Account Activity. Click or tap on it to bring up the full list of your recent transactions. Take a moment to allow this to load completely, as all the details will be crucial for your records. Once you're in the Account Activity section, you have the option to filter these transactions. Look for the Filter feature, which can typically sort transactions by date range or type. Adjust these settings to narrow down to the specific records you wish to print. Remember, filtering not only helps in decluttering, but also ensures you're only printing what's necessary, saving paper and ink. With your desired transactions on display, you'll need to find the Download/Print option or look under Statements and Documents, depending on which version of the app or website you're using. Select PDF format when prompted. This is the most convenient format for both viewing and printing. After hitting Download or Open, the PDF of your transaction list will be generated. Open this document and make sure to review it for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, initiate the printing process. On most devices, you can do this by selecting the Print option within the PDF viewer. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+P if you're using Windows, or Command+P on a Mac, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully printed your Wells Fargo transaction history. It's a simple process that gives you physical records of your financial activities. Keep these documents filed safely and organized for future reference. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides.